I like to enjoy blooms in the garden, flourishing where they grow. If we would ever move and have a bigger size land, I would design a garden for cut flowers, and I would have a wild meadow to go into the morning stillness and collect fragile wild blooms. But my hydrangeas in the front of the house is a different story. This beautiful, incredible hydrangea blossoms in wonderful, clean white color, and then it changes into green, and eventually, with the time of autumn, my hydrangea will turn into a brown color. But I do want to preserve it. Recently, I developed a new space inside of the house, and it's fairly bare right now. It's part of the garage, where wall is cement, and everything looks gray and not attractive now. So my plan is that I will take some of the blooms of these magnificent plants, will dry them in my garage, and will decorate that space to enjoy during winter days when everything is gray, hopefully white from snow outside. Nothing green is there to delight our eyes, but my hydrangea blooms hopefully would be forever green, hanging from the ceiling in my garage. Smooth-leaf hydrangeas are not as easy to dry as mop-head hydrangeas. The season for mop-head hydrangeas was very difficult. We had a very hard summer for plants. Our spring was very nice and rainy, but summer was extremely dry. And you can see that this incredible hydrangea suffered. She's not as full as she can be. You know, even dry flowers look fuzzy cute. I'm planning to dry my hydrangeas in the garage in dark, airy space. My daughter came outside and she asked me, "Mom, are you going to cut all the blooms?" You cannot. You have to leave some of the blooms for us to enjoy. So that's what I'm doing. I cut all the bottom blooms, and I'm leaving some of them to turn into the fall and turn their color into brown. Those blooms are so wonderful and plentiful. Hydrangeas are incredibly proliferous plants. My garage space, which I just managed to clear it up from all the debris, is fairly small, but with proper design, I'm hoping to turn this space into a wonderful extension of my garden, which will delight me and hopefully you, my viewers, in the winter. Hydrangeas are so easy to dry. I'm going to use a wire rack method. Usually hydrangea leaves do not dry very well, but here I decided to keep them because I can hang hydrangeas by those leaves and I don't need to use extra clippers or tying method to make sure that they comfortably hang upside down. My garage stays cool and dark, perfect conditions for hydrangea. I didn't decide yet what I'm planning to do with this hydrangea in this corner of my garage. I was tempted to put all these blooms on the ceiling to create a nice, beautiful carpet of short blooms hanging down from the ceiling. I'm not sure yet. I will be showing you how I'm designing my corner. Here you will see how the blooms might look from the ceiling. I like that effect. Hydrangeas are wonderful plants. I'm so happy I have them on my property.